Alright, guys, so let me show you how to update content on your website, pictures, and the blog that you need to do for SEO reasons. So I'll send you the URL to your website, which is like a Coach YasParr. All you need to do is open a new window, a new tab, like here. You can do it in Chrome by clicking Control T, or you can just go New Tab right here, File, New Tab. You open a new tab, and then you enter the URL, which is Coach YasParr, and then you put a /WP-admin. That stands for WordPress administrator. Then click there. You're gonna get this window. You have your username and your credentials. Click remember, so you don't have to put that again. Enter login. Once you're in the back panel, there's 3 sections that you need to know. Number 1 is the pages sections and the posts, which I'm going to show you. So if you want to edit, let's say the About Us page, which is right here, all these text, if you want to edit, all you have to do is go into the back panel, click on pages, find the page that you want to edit. In this case, it's About. Click edit. Then right here on this editor, you will see the text that we enter for you. So let's say that you want to change the text. Just hover or select the text. I'm just going to put my name here so you see how easy it is. So I changed the text for you. When I'm done, click update. Takes a second to save on the server. Go back to your site, hit refresh, and then right here you'll see the Gerardo that I just saved. That's how easy it is to change the text. Let's say that you want to change some pictures. I'm going to just resave this. Let's see, you want to change some pictures for the home page. On the home page you have the slider, and then underneath you got the SEO text that you need to update maybe. So you go to that page, come to About Us, the pages, and you click on front page, which has the home page. Click on edit. Then right here you'll see that this is the text that we use for your SEO. Eventually you can edit this and change more, add more keywords that we can help you with that later if you want it. If you want to change the images, if you keep on scrolling down, you see we have the images right here. You have I believe it's 23 images right here. If you want to change the order, it's as simple as drag and drop. Like let's say you want this picture to be, let's say my favorite will probably be this one, black and white. You want that number 16 to be a number 1. Just drag it all the way to the top. So now that is image number. Continue. Number 3, number 2, and that is number 1. So that's going to be my first image. See how the number just changed immediately? So if you wanted to add one more image, all you have to do is go all the way to the bottom, add a row. Here, select the image, you click add image. Make sure the images are web safe for the web. I did that for your images, some were really too big. So you can just drag from your computer. Let's say I want to drag this one. So see right here, when I show you this image, it's telling you immediately that this image is 1.5 megabyte. That is a huge image. The ones that I save for you are here home page. Each image is actually just 225 kilobytes. That's a lot of compression, and it's looks exactly the same. Some of your images, like this one that you send me, is 1.3 megabytes. Let's say that you want to upload this image. WordPress is going to give you an error. Oh, in this case it didn't, but see, just because it did not give you an error doesn't mean that it's 1 megabyte. Doesn't mean that you should upload this image. This image is going to make your site super slow. So I'm going to delete that for your server. Delete it. Delete from your server. Anyway, so again, to add an image, just click here. Make sure that you save the image for the web, and then just drag it. And there is in your library. When it's done with compressing the numbers, just click select, and that image will be all the way at the bottom. Okay, but this image is already repeat because I upload that image for you. So let's say in the future you want, here is that image, where is it? There. So if you want to get rid of that image, just scroll down all the way there and just click on the X button. When you're done editing your home page, just go back all the way to the top, and then don't forget to click the update. So as we discussed, the first image on your slideshow will be the black and white one. So if we go back to your homepage, that's the first image right there. So if you want to edit your services, it goes in the same fashion. You click on what is it, pages, and then you click on the services. Click there, services, and then here is where you got all your services. Like I would suggest to add more services or more descriptions to each servers. And then when you're done, click update. And lastly, one thing that I need to know is the most important thing for you, that is the reviews and the blog. I'm going to show you how the reviews works, but exactly the same way the reviews works is the blog. So click on the reviews, and this is your first review, right? So I'm going to show you, we go to reviews on the left hand side right here, WordPress reviews right here. These are all your reviews. You can add and edit as many reviews you want. And the best part, like, let's see, gonna add a new one. I'm gonna go new one. This is gonna be Gerardo. This is the name of the person. Then here you type, thank you, Josh, you actually make me for the first time lose 10 pounds. Then here, click enter, make sure the cursor is here. Click add media, and this is where you add the images that you've been sending me. For instance, for example, I'm not gonna put the Miss Universe because I'm not Miss Universe, but here, that one. Click that one, and then insert into the post. Right here is telling you that it's 400 kilobytes, and it's gonna insert it as a thumbnail. Small, perfect. So that is your image right here. When you're done, click publish. And now, if we go to reviews and hit refresh, here is the first one, is the Gerardo one, and that is the image that we just discussed. Again, I'm going to delete this post because I don't belong to the soccer team or whatever the team is, and that's not a real review. So go to reviews, that's the Gerardo one, just click trash. But here's the most beautiful part of this. If you want one of these reviews to be number one, all you have to do is hover into this area. You see this little green area, a cross mark and a green mark. Grab that one and drop it wherever you want it. As soon as the green turns white, that's safe, and that is the order. The first one is on the top, bottom one, it's the last one. So again, just drag it, put it whatever position you want it, and that's how you reorder this. Same thing goes for the blog. The blog is actually managed by post. Click on the post. Right now we only have one. Then as soon as you add another one, it's gonna be on the top. So click add new, and then here you're gonna go test blog. Wow, my spelling. And then here you type all you want. You add pictures. I forgot to show you one thing. So let's say that one part of your blog links to another trainer or the photographer. Highlight the text. Click on this little icon that means link. Click there. Paste the other URL right here. In this case, let's say google.com, and then you're done. Google, perfect, done. So that is it. So it tells you this is the URL right here. Edit, and that's the URL. Perfect. So that is your link. And one more thing that I need to show you is, like, I will send you the credentials for your server. This is your server. This is how your server looks in the back panel. Remember, one thing is the WordPress. This is your website, and your website lives in a server, which is pretty much a computer. And that computer, this is the back panel for your section. If you wanted to add 100 emails, all I would suggest you to do is, like, come to the server, go to mails. This is your username and password I'll send to you. All you have to do right here is create a new email address. I create one, which is the contact at Coach YasParr. Create one email address, as many you want, and then here, when you're done with that email address, right here on the right hand side, we got the instructions. So how can you add this to your phone or your settings? Like, I actually, to be honest with you, don't know how to set that up in your computer or your phone, but these are the settings for your phone. I think smartphones are, I don't even have a phone, that's why. So smartphones are good enough to understand what is these settings. Just follow these settings and then you're set. If you have any questions with this, let me know, and I'm gonna send you the video right now and talk to you soon. Thank you.